Hello everyone. In this session, we'll explore the intra-company trade in Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Large organizations often have multiple subsidiaries or legal entities. These entities buy and sell from each other, and this is where the intra-company trade comes in. The system helps automate these transactions so companies save time and ensure the accuracy. Let me break down the process with the help of the diagram, which is available in the Microsoft documentation as well. So I'll take that particular documentation from the Microsoft official website and I'll explain to the concept. Okay, imagine we have two companies inside the same group, company A and the company B. Company A is selling company and company B is the delivering company. And here's the process or how the workflow actually works. In the first step, sales associate creates the sales order. That means a sales associate in a company A receives an order from a customer. So they create a sales order in the system. Let me give one real world example over here. Think of a company A as the headquarter of a retail brand. Say the Zara headquarter by Zara HQ. A customer place an order with Zara, so the headquarter creates the sales order. Now the second step involves in intercompany purchase and sales order. This is the smart part of this intracompany process. Dynamics 365 automatically creates an intercompany purchase order in company A and intercompany sales order in the company B. In simple terms, you can say that Zara HQ company A tells its own manufacturing subsidiaries or legal entities company B to supply the goods. No need to manual re-entry of the data. The system mirrors the order on both sides by itself. In the third step, what happens? Delivering company ships. Company B, the delivering company, process the inter-company sales order and ships the goods. Let me give an example over here as well for your understanding purpose. Zara's factory in the another country prepares and ships the cloth either headquarter, that is the non-direct delivery, or it can provide the straight to the customer, which is actually direct delivery. Okay, we'll discuss in a few minutes what is the direct delivery and what is the indirect delivery. So if the shipping company is actually shipping to the headquarter, and then if from the headquarter is going to the customer, then it calls actually non-direct delivery. And if it's the company B actually forwarding or delivering the material to the customer directly, then it's a direct delivery, right? Now after this step, what happens? Packing slip and the receipt process also associated with that. So how it is actually happens, let me discuss about that as well. As the good moves, document automatically generated. A packing slip in company A for the original sales order, a product receipt for the purchase order, a packing slip in the company B for intra-company sales order. Think of this like when Amazon updates your order status, you see packed, shipped, delivered. So internally, each company's legal entity also receive its own paperwork. So within this process, there are several invoices also involved. Finally, the system take care also invoicing. Company B issues a sales invoice to company A. Okay, and company A issues a vendor invoice for its purchase, and company A also generates a sales invoice for the customer. Let me give one example over here as well. Zara HQ invoices the customer, while the Zara factory invoices Zara HQ. So Zara factory is nothing but the manufacturing unit or the company B. So let me discuss about the direct and non-direct delivery. So I already discussed earlier, but let me clarify if you are not understood yet. So there are two possible flows. One is the non-direct delivery and one is the direct delivery. So in non-direct delivery, goods go to the company A first, then company A ships them to customer. In case of direct delivery, goods are directly shipped straight from company B to the customer, skipping company A's warehouse. So why it is required in sometimes? Because state delivery minimizes the shipping cost as well and the shipping timing as well. So that is why direct delivery comes in. Let me give one example related to this for your reference. If Zara headquarter is in the Spain, but the customer is in the US, the factory in the Portugal and company B can ship directly to the customer faster and the cheaper. Okay, so this is the advantages of the process. Now I hope this intercompany process is a bit clear for you. Intercompany trade in Dynamics 365 automatically handles all the orders, documents and invoices between subsidiaries or legal entities. This ensures accuracy, reduces the manual work and make the trading between the legal entities seamless. So in short, it's like having two companies talk to each other instantly without employees having to duplicate orders or the paperwork. So think of it this way: intercompany trade is like ordering something from Amazon, but behind the scenes, Amazon's multiple companies, logistics, warehouses and sales are all talking to each other automatically, so you can get your product smoothly. Okay, so I think now it's clear. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.